Well, sayonara, you ugly stock license plate bracket. See you in the trash. Welcome back, everybody. This is my second attempt on a tail tidy. I'm going to use the stock bracket that's underneath that all the plastic crap is attached to. And I dug around and I found a license plate bracket for another project I was working on that I won't use for that. And I'll probably chop this up here, bend it a little bit, mate it to this, and add the stock license plate light that Triumph comes with, and go from there. My original plan was to bend up something from scratch, but this is rigid and it has a lot of gussets that make it a lot stronger, so I'll go with that and see what I can come up with. I am going to plan on powder coating this. I'm going to try that for the first time. I have a little oven thing and a powder coating kit. We'll see if that works. But after I finalize the design on this, I'll clean it up and then bake it and see how it looks. Okay, it's pretty good. It's cleaned up pretty nicely. I drilled these out so they were flat. Drilled some holes for the other bracket. And what I'm going to do now is try to get a nice bend in here. Alright guys, well here is my prototype. I have an aluminum bar that I spanned between these two bolt holes with the stock Triumph license plate light, all stainless hardware. I bent this up like you saw and then put some washers in here and all stainless hardware. So I'm running out of daylight and I have to powder coat this as well, so I will do that tomorrow. Alright, I'll see you guys in a few. Alright, I'm back. It's the next morning and now I'm going to clean the parts and try to powder coat these things. And don't forget your 1970s smoke-stained safety goggles. You don't want to shake hands with danger. Well guys, I am impressed. This turned out quite nice. The aluminum even better. Probably just because it's smoother, but either way, I'm not going to bore you with putting this all together, but I will show you when I'm done. And I'll take it for a quick ride. Alright, see you in a minute.